Of course, our partners, and from this group, we always seek the support. At sa tuya po media, maghay na aga po sa Indo Boss. So, as already mentioned, ikaw po kita nga ng modified palaro, and it is adapted from the central office. Nagkaigwa ng mga clustered palaro, and this coming April 22 to 28, yun na po yan si Bicol Palarong. Modified siya dahil may clustering, and ang events po gaganapon bako sana sa Legazpi or in one venue, but there are 6 venues including Naga City. Ang delegation po kang Naga City composed of 662 delegates. Kaya di ba na po dyan mga officials, coaches, trainers. Iyan po ang nagkukompose na sa tong delegation, and we are joining 24 out of the 26 events na iko-contest, and including the special events. As of this time po, when it comes to our preparation sa mga athletes, 100% ready ang athletes. Naghahalap na lang po kang April 22 na departure di sa Naga. As to logistics, 90%, but we have 3 days more to go. Binibilang ta siya as preparations para maging 100% ready na po ang gabos, including logistics and other resources. Nagpapasalamat ako dahil baguhan po ako, ikaperang aldaw ko pa lang, and with some of the challenges that we encountered, yaon pa ang full support kang city government. Salamat pong maray talaga. Mayor, Attorney PJ, gabos po na yung atitingan yan, na minsan first time may magirilingan, or sa text pa lang po, nare-resolve na ang mga problems. And of course, my DepEd family. Thank you all so much po. Siguro kung may mga gusto pong maaraman na detalye, at sa tuya po una na press ko ma-proceed from there. Thank you po.